Brindley, don't bite the baby. Don't bite her. Be nice. Just give her kisses, okay? Are you feeding the babies? Yummy. Brindley, can you rock the baby? Rock. Say rock-a-bye, baby. Yeah, go rock the baby in the rocking chair. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh. Are you giving the baby some food? The baby is hungry. Good job, Cadence. Give him some carrots. Give the baby some carrots. Yum. Give the baby some squash. Yum. Yay. Brindley gonna feed her baby too. Give the baby some watermelon. Give the baby some spaghetti. Feed the baby. Here you go, baby. Have some paschetti. Think the baby is getting tired. Can you put the baby to sleep? Cadence, can you put the baby in bed? Lay down the baby so the baby can go night-night. Can you put the babies in bed? Say, close your eyes, baby. Yeah. Can you change the baby's diaper? Does the baby need a diaper, Brindley? Yeah, here, I'll get your baby a diaper. You can change the baby's diaper. Here you go. Change the baby's diaper. The baby's chewy, stinky. Yeah, the baby needs a new diaper. Okay. You put the diaper on the baby? You do it. Say, shoo-wee, baby. Give the baby a diaper. Put the diaper on. Thank you, Cadence. Okay, put the diaper on him. Thank you. That's good. Tomatoes, yummy. Yummy. Can you do patty cake with the baby? How about two little blackbirds? Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. Can you do it with the baby? Alright, I think we're having enough videos, right? Yeah, say enough videos, Mama. Okay, wave bye and say bye-bye. Yeah, wave bye, say bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye.